Haiti senator who opened fire calls it self-defense, but others demand an investigation. Haitian Senator Jean-Marie Fietier, the lawmaker from the ruling party who fired his gun Monday in the Senate yard in Port-au-Prince and shot 2 people, including Associated Press photojournalist Junalion Chéry, said Wednesday he was acting in self-defense. In a statement the senator sent to the Miami Herald, Fietier said as he was getting into his vehicle to leave the premises of the Senate, very aggressive protesters came close to me and did not hesitate to open my vehicle's door, even trying to get me out of it in a clear attempt to harm me. In this situation of utmost threat, following my survival instinct and in legitimate self-defense, I drew my firearm and fired into the air to disperse the crowd, to clear the track, for me to leave the premises as quickly as possible, he continued. It is useful to inform the public that none of the attackers nearest to me was hit. A former Haitian army officer and police commissioner whose tenure in the city of Cap Haitian was tainted by allegations of ties to drug traffickers and abusive police practices, Fietier described protesters as threatened and hostile toward most members of the Senate. The Senate members had been summoned for a confirmation vote on nominated Prime Minister Fritz-William Michel. The vote was quickly aborted after the shooting incident. As tensions and violence escalated in Port-au-Prince and other major cities, Fietier insists that his self-defense action saved my life, considering the many projectile impacts on my vehicle as registered in a ministerial officer's report. I am deeply saddened by this unfortunate incident and extend my heartfelt sympathy to the victims, he said. While the video of the incident shows Fietier closing his vehicle's door and the door being pulled open before he jumped out and opened fire. Some are debating whether his life was in danger and if his shots were only in the air.